Hello. For this video, we'll talk about profession vocabulary. Let's go right into it. Doctor, surgeon, nurse, dentist, pharmacist, veterinarian, paramedic, therapist, psychiatrist, physiotherapist, angiologist, optometrist, teacher, professor, principal, librarian, tutor, school counselor, education consultant, accountant, banker, financial analyst, economist, auditor, investment bank manager, tax consultant, insurance agent, software engineer, web developer, data scientist, cybersecurity specialist, IT support specialist, network administrator, AI engineer, game developer, actor, musician, singer, dancer, painter, photographer, filmmaker, writer, graphic designer, lawyer, judge, police officer, detective, politician, diplomat, civil servant, security guard, civil engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, architect, structural engineer, aerospace engineer, industrial designer, scientist, chemist, biologist, astronomer, mathematician, environmental scientist, researcher, chef, hotel manager, travel agent, tour guide, flight attendant, bar attender, carpenter, electrician, plumber, mechanic, welder, painter, construction worker, journalist, news anchor, editor, copywriter, social media manager, translator, athlete, personal trainer, coach, referee, yoga instructor, farmer, agricultural engineer, beekeeper, fisherman, florist. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe and follow and share with friends as well. Thank you.